We divide 256 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 256 divided by 5 is 51.2. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.